Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market today. So today is a really great day because if you take a look at markets across the board, all markets starts to show the great performance, especially in the gold market. I would strongly suggest you to take a look at the report that we have prepared on the gold market. It's really outstanding action stands there. But on the cryptocurrency we also have something to talk about, and in particular if you take a look at our experiment with the hash ribbons indicator. So in two words speaking, this is an indicator that tracks the hash rate and building the two averages on the hash rate, and it trying to indicates the moment for the miners capitulation. When the drop on the Bitcoin price stands so that miners decrease the mining activity, starting to sell the coins that they already have mined to get at least something from the market at the current price, which push price lower. Once the mining capitulation is over and hash rate returned back up, that generates the signal for taking the long position. As you can see on the daily chart, market the indicator shows the buy signal. So it means that theoretically that by the hash rate, by the this indicator here, we should consider taking the long position. How we could combine this with the picture that we have on the daily? In general, guys, I'm not excluding the chance that we should get the upward continuation here, because first of all we have prepared the sentiment analysis on the Bitcoin market in December, and in general I would say that it much better compares to what we saw in November. So in the general overall sentiment on the market becomes better. The activity on the trading on the futures, on the backed futures, on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures for the Bitcoin, the delivery Bitcoins is rising gradually. Some events have happened that indicates interest of the institutional investors to the Bitcoin market. Some investment has happened, project investment has happened on the market, and it seems it really shows that the process of the involving of the institutional investors' money on the crypto market gradually is continuing. So it comes slowly, but it takes more and more size. And from that standpoint, I would suggest that market really could show the upward reversal in the nearest future, because the major driving factor currently, guys, for the Bitcoin market is expansion. It's nothing, it's not some technical progress, nothing inventing on something new technology here, but it currently takes a bit more classic driving factor, which indicates the expansion, just involving the more money investing, attractive of the new investors from the spheres that previously was standing aside. So previously other investors were mostly trading on the classical markets, just keep watching for crypto, what is going on there, whether this will be possible to waiting for some regulation or something of that sort. And now it seems that the first steps of the coming of these investors to the market is starting. So that's why on the daily chart, guys, in the current circumstances with the hash ribbons on the back, what we could consider? We could consider, guys, possible head and shoulders patching here. So I would suggest first some deeper retracement here, somewhere to 68.50 maybe. Here we have the butterfly, if you remember, and 127 head and shoulders. And I suggest that we should get some kind of the right arm here to formed, where we could consider taking the long position. So that's approximately I think that we could keep an eye on. Because if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, so here, if you remember, we said first that keep watching for the 30% support. That could be the moment for taking the long position. You could try and take the position. And here's take a look. Mining head and shoulders has been formed here, but it has completed the target. So bounce was really great. Probably maybe somebody of you have made some money here, but at the same time it has not continued straight upward. It has shown the target. XOP has been hit, and market returned right back down. So it makes me think that we should get another leg down to the next support. It's around 618 support. It's approximately 69 area, and we could get this AB equals CD pattern with a 6850 target. So that will be another agreement support that already will have relation to daily picture. So also take a look. So we'll take a look at the MACD predictor. That could be the possible grabber here. So maybe bullish grabber will be formed here, and that potentially the scenario that we could consider for a taking long position. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market right now.